welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this hair that I got in my head right now. But before we start, I want you guys to go down there and subscribe to my channel as well as like this video, and we can get started.
Stop giving a damn about when they tell me how I won't make it out. I already won.
Okay, so the hair that I'm wearing is from a company called Vanlov Hair, and they're an Aliexpress vendor as well as having their own website, I believe. And the hair that I have in my head right now is sorry, I'm reading off my phone right now. I have their Vanlov Water Curly Virgin Hair in, and this comes in 4 bundles with a lace frontal, but I got 3 bundles just because I didn't need the 4th one because I don't even use the full 3, so I feel like 4 would just be a waste of hair. And then I have the frontal. So I ended up getting the 16-inch frontal with 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles, and I love them a lot, but what else did I have to say about their company before I told you guys the pros and cons? Oh, their price point for their hair is really good. I did get this hair for free, but I went on their website. I was about to say YouTube, but I went on their website, and the highest their hair goes is what I'm seeing is $96. So that is not bad to be getting 4 bundles. 3 to 4 bundles and a closure or a frontal all together for $96. That's not bad at all, especially if the hair is good. So the things that I do like about this hair is it's a very lightweight. This hair is super lightweight, super lightweight. I love the texture of this hair. Okay, you guys, like the true texture is more to the bottom because this is like really frizzy and brushed out, but like I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but the texture of this hair, it is so pretty. Okay, so those are like my main 2 things that I love about this hair. Like the texture is just like everything to me, and the lengths that I got, I really, damn, can I talk? I really think they look nice on me. They layered pretty good, and like I said, the hair is super lightweight. And another thing that I love about this hair that I've been like realizing lately when it comes to working with different companies and stuff, the frontal dyed so good. And when I mean dye, I mean the knots bleached very nicely. Now, I worked with one company and I haven't really talked about them yet. I will be doing a review on them in the future. But I dyed I bleached the knots to one of their frontals, and it just like, oh, it looks so bad. And I'm gonna try to make it work and stuff, but the knots just barely bleached, and I do it right. Like, I do it the right way. It's like not that hard to do, and they just like, oh, it looks really bad. I'll talk about that in a later video, but the knots on this hair bleached so nice, which makes it even more realistic. Now, I don't really like how my wig looks today, just because I've been in a rush. That's why I don't even have makeup on today. So we just gonna act like this hair looks real good today. But it looked good the first time I wore it because I really took my time to put the wig down and stuff like that. But since I needed to review this video because it is overdue, I just threw it on and, you know, made it work for today. But the hair looks very nice when I take my time and put it on, the frontal part. So but what I don't like about this hair is dang, they're being loud as hell. But anyway, the things that I do not like about this hair is it tangles really bad under here. It hasn't really tangled at all today. I just recently washed it yesterday and then I put it in. So it hasn't really tangled under here. This is where it tangles at the most. Like, it kind of tangles up here sometimes, but not really. It's really under here, and it gets really bad if you leave it like just sit. And it's very dry. The hair is very dry. I don't know if it looks dry to you guys, but it looks dry to me and it feels very dry. So I do not like that. And then the other thing that I do not like about this hair is it sheds really bad. Now, it doesn't shed like straight hair sheds, like you could just be flipping your hair and the hair comes out, or just be living your daily life and hair comes out. Like when I pull on it and stuff, some strands come out, but like when I brush it, oh baby, it sheds. So I don't like that. And that's really pretty much those 3 things that I don't like about it. Everything else about this hair is pretty good. I don't know about putting heat on it because I probably never will, and I haven't. And dyeing it, I don't know, and I probably won't either. So those 2 things I don't know about. So I still recommend this company just because you could get lucky and maybe this doesn't happen to you, or you know how to take care of it a little bit more than I do, or you have some tricks, or you know, it's not like to the point where I'm like, girl, do not buy this hair, everything about it is terrible. But those are those 3 things are big that you should be aware of when you're buying hair. So maybe look into their straight collection or their body wave collection, but maybe you could still take the risk with this. I don't know. The hair is not terrible. Like, I love this hair. It's just those 3 things, and I don't know, I don't like that, and I know a lot of people don't like that. So, you know, take this information, run with it, do what you want with it. If you want to buy this hair, I still recommend it, just maybe with some different textures. So that's pretty much it about this hair. I'll be listing all their information down below. And that's pretty much it. Let me stop rambling. Let you guys get on with your day. And I'll see you guys in the next one.